We are learning to inform using the hamburger plan. So today what we're going to do is look at how we can use this plan to inform people, which is the purpose you've identified for your speech writing topic. So my topic for my speech that I've chosen is that exercise is important for children. And I'm going to inform people about why exercise is important for children. So here I have my hamburger plan, which is the plan I'm going to use to inform. So first of all, I'm going to look at the introduction. That's my big idea about the topic. So in my introduction, I'm going to say something about how I love to exercise and it has lots of benefits for me. That's kind of going to be my hook in to get the audience wanting to listen to my speech. And then my big idea is that exercise is important for children. Now I need to look at my paragraphs and what my ideas are going to be there. So my first paragraph is going to be about the idea that exercise keeps me fit. And then I need to have 2 examples about that. So my 2 examples I'm going to talk about related to exercise keeps me fit is that it stops me from getting fat and it makes my muscles and bones strong. My second idea is that exercise makes me feel good. Now I need to give examples about that. So my first example is I can exercise with my friends playing games. And my second example is that it helps my moods. It makes me happy. My third main idea that I'm going to have in my speech is that exercise makes you learn better. And my examples for that idea are that it gives improved concentration and it gives you more energy. Now the last part of my plan that I need to fill in is my conclusion summary. So remember, with our conclusion, we're just restating our topic that we're writing about and then our main ideas. So in my conclusion summary, I've just put down that exercise is important, it keeps you fit, makes you feel good and helps you learn better. So that is my plan for informing people about why exercise is important for children. Now, using your speech topic that you've decided on, you are going to fill in your hamburger plan.